Hello and welcome to Learn Java on Codecademy. This is the first lesson. What's your name? Let's start this. It says Java is a programming language designed to build secure, powerful applications that run across multiple operating systems, including Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows. The Java language is known to be flexible, scalable, and maintainable. We will begin with the fundamentals of Java programming. Data types, arithmetic, and operators. We'll learn a few concepts that you can apply to the programs you create. By the end of the course, you'll be familiar with the basic building blocks of a Java program. Instructions. Let's get started by getting to know each other. On line 4, type your name within double quotes between the parentheses like this. We have here Gilberto. We see 2 parentheses. Click run to run the code. Let's get out of here. Here's that system out print line. And I'm guessing I just add my name. If you guys don't know, I'm pretty new to Java, so I don't know much. But let's see if this works if I run it. As you guys can see here, I did pass it. So this also, as you can see here, print out to the console my name, which I specified there. So in the next lessons, we will learn more on how this all worked. This, for now, shows us this is how we print stuff out to some sort of terminal or console, as we see here. And we will learn more in the following lessons. I will see you guys there.